Good morning, students. I hope you all are fit and fine. So, let us start our today's class. All students of Standard 4, open computer book. Open chapter 2. What is chapter 2? Chapter 2 is GUI operating system, desktop management. GUI means graphic user interface, the operating system. स्टूडेंट्स, ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम को हम लोग शॉर्ट में OS भी बोलते हैं. OS. Now comes to operating system. Operating system OS is a program with following features. An operating system is a program that acts as an interface between the software and the computer hardware. Next, it is an integrated set of specialized programs that are used to manage overall resources and operations of the computer. It is a specialized software that controls and monitors the executions of all other programs that reside in the computer, including application program and other system software. Students, operating system, that is OS, is a program और set of program जो सॉफ्टवेयर और कंप्यूटर हार्डवेयर के बीच एक इंटरफेस की तरह काम करता है. It is used to manage each and every work of computer. Means यह कंप्यूटर सिस्टम को के सभी हार्डवेयर डिवाइस और सॉफ्टवेयर डिवाइस को मैनेज करता है और टोटल कंट्रोल करता है. Now comes to objectives of operating system. The objectives of an operating system are to make a computer system convenient to use in an efficient manner, to hide the details of the hardware resources from the users, to provide users a convenient interface to use the computer system, to act as an intermediary between the hardware and its user, and making it easier for the user to access and use other resources. To manage the resources of a computer system, to keep track of who is using which resource, granting resource request, to provide efficient and fair sharing of resources among users and programs. Students, what is an operating system? यह कंप्यूटर सिस्टम को कन्वीनियंट बनाता है और यूज़र्स को वर्क करने के लिए एक इंटरफेस देता है. यह हार्डवेयर और सॉफ्टवेयर सभी को कंट्रोल करता है. कंप्यूटर सिस्टम को सभी हार्डवेयर को मैनेज करता है और इट इज़ कीपिंग रिकॉर्ड दैट हु इज़ यूजिंग which resources. Now comes to functions of operating system. Now comes to function of operating system. An operating system has the following function. First, memory management. It keeps tracks of primary memory, that is, what part of it is in use by whom, what part is not used, etc. It also allocates the memory when a process or program requests it. It keeps track of primary memory, that is, कौन सा पार्ट मेमोरी का यूज में है और कौन सा नहीं. नेक्स्ट, प्रोसेसर मैनेजमेंट. इट एलोकेट्स द प्रोसेसर CPU to a process and deallocates processor when it is no longer required. Now turn the page. OS keeps track of all devices. This is also called I/O controller. I/O controller means input-output controller. This is also called I/O controller that decides which process gets the device when and for how much time. OS सभी डिवाइस का ट्रैक रखता है. दिस इज ऑल्सो कॉल्ड I/O कंट्रोलर, जो यह डिसाइड करता है कि कौन सा डिवाइस कब, कहाँ और किस समय कैसे प्रोसेस में भाग लेगा. नेक्स्ट, फाइल मैनेजमेंट. एंड OS allocates and deallocates the resources and decides who get the resources. Now, security. It prevents unauthorized access to program the data and data by means of password and similar other technique. OS is used to prevent unauthorized access program और डेटा, जैसा कि पासवर्ड लगाकर और दूसरे टेक्निक के द्वारा करते हैं. नाउ, जॉब अकाउंटिंग. इट कीप्स ट्रैक ऑफ टाइम एंड रिसोर्सेज यूज्ड बाय वेरियस जॉब्स एंड और यूजर्स. Control over system performance. It records delays between request for a service and from the system. Interactions with the operations. The interaction may take place via the console of the computer in the form of instruction operating system acknowledged the same does the corresponding action and informs the operations by display screen. Interaction with operators. इसमें interaction के द्वारा इसमें इंस्ट्रक्शंस के द्वारा इंट्रैक्शंस होता है. नाउ कम्स टू कोऑर्डिनेशन बिटवीन द अदर सॉफ्टवेयर एंड यूजर्स. इट कीप कोऑर्डिनेशंस एंड असाइनमेंट ऑफ कंपाइलर, इंटरप्रेटर्स, assemblers and other software to the various users of computer system. यह कंपाइलर, इंटरप्रेटर्स, assemblers and other software application और यूजर्स के बीच तालमेल मिलाकर कैसे काम करे, इसे भी देखता है और कंट्रोल करता है. Now students, I hope you all have understand this chapter. It's all for today. Thank you. Stay home, stay fit.